Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Muhammad Shoaidul Islam, and today I shall discuss about the difference between repo and reverse repo. Individual repo is used in the developed countries where money market is perfect. Individual repo means selling and buying of securities to take a short-term loan to individuals to any business entity other than central bank. Where money market is weak or semi-perfect, in these countries, bank-to-bank repo is used. Bank-to-bank repo means bank borrow money by selling their government treasury bill or bond to central bank. I shall discuss here the difference between repo and reverse repo based on the bank-to-bank repo. Definitions: bank or financial institutions borrow short-term money from central banks by selling their government treasury bill or bond to it with the agreement to buy it back from the central bank. And reverse repo means the agreement by which central bank extract over liquid money from money market with offering interest to them. Interest rate. Repo rate is the expense to the bank or financial institutions, and it is the income to the central bank. And repo rate all time higher than the reverse repo rate. Reverse repo rate is the income to the bank or financial institutions, and it is the expense to the central bank. And reverse repo rate is lower than repo rate. Situations: to overcome the short-term financial liquidity crisis, the bank or financial institutions borrow from central bank. In reverse repo, when central bank think that there is a lot of or over liquidate cash in the money market or in the hand of bank or financial institutions, then central bank extract this over liquidity money. Collateral. In repo transactions, bank or financial institutions just give security, government treasury bill or bond to the central bank. In reverse repo, central bank does not give any collateral to the bank or financial institutions, just give them rate of interest, that is called reverse repo rate. Objectives: through repo, just bank or financial institutions mitigate their short-term financial crisis. In reverse repo, central bank just withdraw excess liquidity money in the money market. Party identity. In repo, bank or financial institutions of money market is the borrower and seller of securities, and central bank is the lender and purchaser of these securities. But in case of reverse repo, bank or financial institutions is the just depositors of cash, and central bank is the custodians of their cash. Consequence: for repo transactions, inflations rise and employment are created, and overall economic conditions will be expanded. But in case of reverse repo, inflation will be reduced and employment will be hampered. That means unemployment problem will be created, then economic condition will be extract, and that is called the stagnation. Dear viewers, that is all for today. If you think that this video is beneficial to you, please subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you for watching my video.